everyone.
Good morning.
We just left the town of Glenallen. We stayed there last night, and we got the first oil change in our truck done this morning.
Yep, it was 7,300 miles and got her changed up. And the MacArthur Road, it was a pleasant surprise. They worked it by when we were there, and all the washboards were gone. So
it was a smoother ride on the way out than it was in.
Yeah, a lot better. So we're headed to Fairbanks right now. I'm gonna stop at the North Pole, and
Jake's gonna put his order in.
Yeah.
See what he wants. He's gonna put his order in this morning.
Go and see Santa Claus, put his order in for Christmas.
So we're letting you know how we make out the North Pole.
mistletoe. They're decorating the Christmas tree with a star up top for you and me. Can you hear the sleigh bells? It's Christmas time. It's Christmas time. Way up north, they're making toys for every little girl and boy who mailed in letters, 'cause they've been better, so much better than the year before. Santa's crossing off every wish, even moms and dads have made the list. Can you hear the sleigh bells? It's Christmas time. The sound of sleigh bells on reindeer only come this time of year. With Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, and Vixen, run, run, Rudolph, all you will be missed when Santa Claus gets his paws on his red sleigh. When it's owls, clear the shouts, he'll go flying on his merry way. He's spreading joy all along the ride, all around the world in one night. Can you hear the sleigh bells? It's Christmas time. It's Christmas time.
What would you like?
The sound of sleigh bells on reindeer only come this time of year. With Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, and Vixen, run, run, Rudolph, all you will be missed when Santa Claus gets his paws on his red sleigh. When it's owls, clear the shouts, he'll go flying on his merry way. He's spreading joy all along the ride, all around the world in one night. Can you hear the sleigh bells? It's Christmas. Hear the sleigh bells? It's Christmas. Hear the sleigh bells? It's Christmas time. Oh, can we give it one more time?
Merry Christmas!
Hear the sleigh bells, it's Christmas. Hear the sleigh bells, it's Christmas time. It's Christmas time. Grab your coat, it's getting cold. Just look at the falling snow. There's season's greetings, happy meetings, oh, and a little bit of mistletoe. They're decorating the Christmas tree with a star